Hey, how are ya? Morning. So, round 3, master cylinder. I had one master cylinder, but I got the wrong one. 2 new, I'm not sure what those are for. It's got instructions, I'll have to read them. So the last one had a push rod. Did me no good. Took this one apart, cleaned the bore out. Did me no good. So now we're gonna take this one off, find the brake juice can down there. We're gonna pour the old brake juice out of this one. There is no cord charge on these. Trying to get a glove out of a glove box. Some of the tools are in there, some are up here. Hey, this one actually came with instructions. Bench bleeding. I try not to bleed. All new master cylinder, no. Don't bottom your piston mounted in the bore. It'll cause damage. What it said. Yeah. I have a master cylinder bleeding kit, but you know what? I gotta get this old one off first, so we'll go about this. Get this off. And then we'll try and do the rest. But hey, my new flared line never leaked. Try and get some things ready for the inevitable. It'll be the master cylinder pour off. We'll try and. Okay. So I'm gonna pop this lid, put it somewhere. That's the only thing I wasn't ready for, is to put it somewhere. And we're gonna kind of try and. Hey, how are ya? Or the master bleed kit. So these you're supposed to put in. So you put the plugs in. It says. Holy jumping shitballs. Okay. Oh my God, did I just bend it? No. Oh, it popped out. Well, that's a fan-frickin-tastic idea. Nice and clean. Oh my God. Oh. It says you fill it, and then you put the little plasticky caps in there until you see, when you see it dripping. Apparently, plastic caps are all you need to stop the drip. I personally would have thought penicillin. Not bleed me. Yeah, dry. There we go. Yep. Okay, well there's one done. So we have a lovely new master cylinder on. Doesn't look like it's leaking any. Let's give her a bit of a clean down. Make sure we have no leaky. You're the one. Yeah, there we go. Hosed her down. Yeah, put some gloves on here. Hold on.